In this lecture of AutoCAD, I will discuss three new topics in AutoCAD, that are layers, object properties, and text. First of all, layer. The shortcut command for the layer that is simple. Enter the word layer, okay, or you can enter the shortcut word LA. In this command, we can give the different color for the different type of an object and different type of style also. We can edit the object of the different type from the current layer window. What it means, I will also show with the practical examples. Okay, it means, for example, if you have a one layer type, okay, you can change its color, you can change its thickness, you can change its line type, like it's a continuous line, dash line, center line. Okay, so all things can be managed with a single command, that is a layer command. Okay, in this command we can give the different color for the different type of object and different type of style also. Okay, here is the comma. We can edit, okay, easily these layers as per our requirement. Layers command, this command allows you to create different type of object properties, okay, just like I have already discussed, like center line, dash line. Okay, when we using the layer command, then open a layer window. There are many types of subtools. Other tools are also available in the layers for the modifying the object. We will also discuss some of them. The third command is the text. Text is used in the AutoCAD for different purposes, like for writing notes, for writing properties of an object, okay, with different styles, with different options available in the AutoCAD. So now let's see these three options in AutoCAD. Now here are three objects. One is the keyhole, okay, second one is the bolt, third one is the hinge. Okay, I will change the properties and apply the layers on these different objects. Okay, first of all, here is the layer panel, where we change the properties of the layers of the objects for different objects. And here is the object properties panel. Okay, and here is the text. Okay, here is single line and multi-line text. We will discuss one by one. First of all, for the layer properties, just click here, layer properties. Uh, this dialog box will appear, that is the layer properties manager. Okay, here is a predefined properties present. 0 is the by default layer, bolt layer, hinge layer, hinge hidden layer, keyhole layer. Okay, and each layer with different properties, like what is the color, what is the line type. Okay, you can make more, see more. Line weight, line weight means thickness. Okay, transparency. Okay, so these types of things are all can be added, managed with a very good options in the AutoCAD. So first of all, I will just create a new property, a new layer property. Here I have just clicked new, here layer. Now I am just making it center line. Hit enter, center line layer. Okay, now I will change its properties one by one. For example, center line, what is the color of the center line? Here I have selected, for example, okay, that is a 130. Okay, that is a green blue. Okay, that is the color of this line. And what is the line type? Okay, I will select, here is the by default present, continuous, dashed, and dash 2. Here is the library of line type. Okay, there are different type of line. Okay, now I will just click the center line. Okay, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash line. Okay, there are different with different scales. I have just selected center. Okay, okay, select center again. Okay, okay, now there is a center line type. So what is the line weight? Line weight means the line thickness. Okay, you can select with different line thickness. Okay, here in this example I have selected 0.4 mm. Okay, and line weight, line type, color. Okay, so here you will also see one tick option. Okay, that is the current layer. Let me just, okay, in the layer panel, on which layer the tick option is present, that is the you can say the current layer. Okay, for example, in this window you are saying hinge, so that is the current. If I draw a line, circle, then all the properties of hinge will be used. That is the tick option. You can change anywhere. Okay, you can select, double click just this, and then the next layer will become the current layer. Okay, so currently here hinge object I will just close. For example, I will just draw a rectangle, click from this point to this point. You can see now the current layer is hinge. Okay, now if I go in the layer properties, and here's the center line, if I just double click, okay, so now the next layer is my current center line layer is my current layer. So if I just go circle, go to circle. Okay, here you can see the with color, with the line type. Okay, so all these properties you can also select from this layer. uh, you can see layer tools. Okay, there are different types of tools, quick tools. Okay, I will show some of these which are very important. For example, if I want to use here, that is a keyhole layer. Okay, with red color. If I want to use that the layer as a make current layer, okay, here I will just click here. Okay, now my current layer is keyhole. If I draw anything now, enter, you are seeing that now I am using the keyhole layer. Okay, the second beautiful function is the on and off of the layers. Okay, so how we can do on and off layers? For example, if I want to uh, turn off the layer bold, for example, here off, here the small square box will appear. Here I will come, I will just click this. Okay, all the objects uh, with the bold, okay, bold layer will be here. The layer bold has been turned off. Okay, you can again go in the layer properties. Here you can see the board, the color of the board is changed. Okay, it's changed to blue. I will again click here. Okay, here is the turn on, on is on. You can also come here, turn off and on any. Okay, so that's how layer commands work. Okay, now again there is the object properties. That is you can say the separate function available in the AutoCAD. For example, if you want hinge, now hinge layer is a continuous line. Okay, if you again want to change, make changes in this layer, okay, you can again can make the changes in the properties. Okay, here in the properties, center, dash, dash. Okay, different line. Oh, here I have selected dashed, but in the hinge properties, there in the hinge layer properties there is no change. Okay, I have just changed the from the properties dialog box. Okay, for example, here uh, here is a keyhole. Okay, if I go to assign hinge, okay, hinge is the continuous line, but here in the rectangle I have changed uh, its property. Okay, so that is the layer command and the properties command. Okay, in the properties, object properties tab, you can also see the detailed properties. For example, here I will just right click this object and press right click anywhere and go to properties. Okay, here is a detailed window property about this. Okay, here is a hinge layer is assigned, and line type is the dashed. Okay, line type scale is 1. Okay, and here is a 3D visualization. Here is a geometry, means from where the point started, where the point ended. Okay, all types of things. okay. And what is the line type scale? That is again also very important function. I can change the spacing, okay, and the size. Okay, for example, if I do it to 4, press enter, you can see the now the dash line style is changed. Okay, if I change it to 0.2, okay, you can see now the spacing change. Okay, that's also you can play with the line type scale. Okay, so that is the layer properties and the object properties.